Well, welcome to Dark Dave's shop. This is Dark Dave. This is a nice cold February morning. I'm here in Virginia Beach today. We're at a place called Doc Taylor's. It originally was a doctor's office for many years. It is now a restaurant, and he also has the place next door. They have some pretty good food, and we'll be going in here to eat in a minute. Hopefully you guys have fun and keep watching, and we'll see you guys later. All right, now first off, this is Dark Dave. You guys have seen a lot of my videos. I hope you guys are enjoying them. I'm at Doc Taylor's today. Now this is the place that every time I come down here I have to eat. I'm gonna let them tell you about their own place.
Hey guys.
Hi. We're a breakfast lunch restaurant based in Virginia Beach, Doc Taylor's. Been here for over 2 decades.
Great food, great vibe, cheap drinks.
Cheapest Bloody Marys and mimosas on the beach. We're an institution around here. We're open Wednesday through Sunday, 7 to 2.
Come and see us.
Yeah.
Okay, what's your address?
That's a great question. 207 23rd Street off Atlantic and Pacific.
All right.
This old house.
This is a neat house. I showed you guys the outside of it yesterday, so I'm going to come over here. We're going to look real quick at the fry area, and the fry cooks are going to wave and smile.
G-leg.
You're the manager too, aren't you? Are you the manager or the owner?
Yeah, I'm the manager.
Okay.
He's part of the building.
He's part of the building, so tell us a little bit real fast.
Huh?
Does it all.
Tell us a little bit. I come with the building.
All right. And as you see, they take really good care. The food, as you saw yesterday, was great. We came back today because it was such a good thing. There you go. I'm sitting there going, he's going to wave, right? He's going to smile, huh? It's a really ornate place. Come on down and see it.
And it was an old doctor's office.
Now they have, there's other rooms in this, but Doc Taylor's has a full bar area, nice little cook area.
Sorry.
So Doc Taylor's has a bar area and a cook area. But it's a nice little cozy place, and in the wintertime they do have a heater going to keep you warm.